In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Finance shortcut to your device, making your access to financial news and stock market updates just a click away. This guide, designed to be completed in about 5 minutes, is perfect for those who frequently visit Google Finance for their investment needs, stock market insights, or financial news. Let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Google Finance. Simply type www.google.com/finance into your web browser's address bar. As you arrive on the Google Finance homepage, you'll notice its clean interface, designed to give you a broad view of the financial markets with just a glance. Now, to personalize your experience and ensure you get the most relevant information tailored to you, you're going to need to sign in with your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use for Google Finance. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, you'll see them listed here. In case you don't see the account you'd like to use, there will be an option to add another one. Upon selecting your Google account, the next step involves security. You'll be asked to enter your password. Security is paramount, and even though it might seem like a simple step, ensuring that your financial data is accessed securely is crucial. After entering your password correctly, click on Next to proceed. Once signed in, you're ready to streamline your access to Google Finance. Locating the shortcut option is straightforward, but not immediately obvious to everyone. Look to the top right of your Google Chrome browser. You should see 3 dots lined up vertically. These dots are essentially the doorway to more options and customizations within Chrome. Click on them to open up a menu filled with various actions you can take. In the menu that appears, you're looking for a specific option listed as Cast, Save, and Share. This particular section houses tools that enhance your browsing experience, allowing for a more integrated use of Chrome's capabilities with your daily needs. Once you find and click on this option, a submenu or another layer of options will appear. Within this layer, the option you're aiming for is Create a Shortcut. This functionality is designed to make accessing your most visited websites a breeze. By creating a shortcut, you're essentially placing a direct link to Google Finance right on your device, be it your desktop or laptop. This eliminates the need to type in the web address every time you want to check on your investments or catch up on financial news. After clicking on Create a Shortcut, a small prompt might appear asking you to name your shortcut or confirm the action. This step is straightforward but also gives you a bit of customization. You can name your shortcut whatever makes sense to you: Google Finance, My Stocks, or anything else that clearly signifies what the shortcut is for. Once you're happy with the name, confirm the action, and voila, you've successfully created a shortcut to Google Finance. What you've done here is not just a small adjustment to your browsing habits. You've streamlined your access to financial information, making it faster and more efficient to stay informed on market trends, news, and the performance of your investments. This simple yet effective guide demonstrates that even the smallest of changes in how we use technology can have a significant impact on our productivity and information accessibility. Remember, staying informed and making well-educated decisions is crucial in the world of finance and investments. By having Google Finance just a click away, you're setting yourself up for success, ensuring that you can quickly check the pulse of the financial world whenever you need to. That wraps up our guide on adding a Google Finance shortcut. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your financial tracking and market watching significantly more accessible and convenient. Happy investing, and here's to making informed financial decisions with ease.